this is how to replace your battery in your 2013 Volkswagen Passat. Okay, for this project, you're going to need two tools. You're going to need a 13 millimeter with an extension, and you're going to need a 10 millimeter. You're going to loosen your terminals. You do the positive first, and you take it off. I tucked it right behind there. Then we're loosening this one. It's pretty loose. It comes right off. Now then you say, hey, it won't come out. What's wrong? What you're going to need is a extension for your ratchet, and right down the side here there's a 13 millimeter that loosens the bracket that holds the battery in. So you just loosen that. Once you loosen it, you just give it a pull and it comes right out. Here you can see how it works. So we loosen that right there. To put it back in, do the reverse. So on the reinstallation project, we just got to put it into place. Make sure that the negative battery terminal is facing the back of the car there. Now, when you put it down, you got to make sure that that goes underneath. So you got to tilt it in there. In order to tighten this, you're going to put this right here onto the bolt down there. You're going to make sure on this side, if you look down there, you can see that the battery's underneath there. It's not going to move anywhere. Okay, the next step is to put this cover back on. After you have the negative on, you're going to want to put the positive on here. Make sure that it's all the way down, and then tighten it on there. Now, I would recommend cleaning the terminals also, but I don't have a terminal cleaner. So that's it. Nice and easy. See you later.